family. Hey guys, how are you all on this Saturday, this wet and rainy Saturday? So I am need to make sure no one's behind me. Okay, I am starting the vlog in the car because I'm headed to Home Depot. I'm headed out to Home Depot because I need to get some black paint. I'm gonna be transforming a space. I'm gonna show y'all when I get back to the house exactly what I'm gonna be doing. It is only gonna take me 2 weekends to do it, this weekend and the next weekend. Only because I had to order 2 items online and they have to arrive in here. So once they get here, I'll be finished. It's gonna be super quick. I know I take forever when it's time to do projects and stuff like that, but this one right here, because I pretty much already have everything, considering that I had planned to do another space with it. I'm talking about the office. I've always shown you guys office haul things I've gotten in for the office and stuff, but I've never been able to actually do the office space yet because it is just completely chaotic and super hectic in there. It's no longer gonna be an office. It's just gonna be a craft room. I'm gonna use that space as my craft room. It's gonna be my work area for my workshop, and that's where I'm gonna paint and do all my cutting and just crafting in there. I can't sit and work on some other projects and jobs and opportunities that I've been given in that room, in that space. I need to be in a clear head space, and I don't get it in that room. Even when I work from home on my full-time job, I'm not able to sit in that office because it's just not, it's a little bit chaotic right now because it's just very busy for me. It's that time of the year. So I have decided to transform the loft into the office. I'm like, I was just riding home one day and it just hit me like, why don't you just make that loft area your office space? Like, I never finished it, and I don't show you guys that loft area really because I never finished it. There's nothing in there. I think I did like a summer loft refresh maybe 2 years ago. I'll insert a clip of what it actually looks like now, but I never completed like putting things on the wall or furnishing a little bit more in there. It's currently navy blue and I don't want that, so I'm going to move. You all know I moved all the blush pink stuff downstairs into my family room, so I'm gonna take the navy blue stuff and move it into the guest room, and then all of the black and white and gold items that I've purchased for my actual office, which I'm gonna now just keep as a craft room, I'm gonna move into this space. So a lot of this stuff you've already seen, but I'm gonna do a separate video collectively of all of the items together and where I got them from, just so you all can be more up to date, because I've been talking about this across at least 1.5 years to 2 years, and I'll be like, this is for the office, and it's probably like, well, where is the office? You know what I'm saying? So if you follow me on the IG, I do occasionally I do occasionally post pictures of my office, half of my office, the neat side of the office that's no longer looks like that anymore either. So yeah, this space will be, I still want to use this loft area as a reading area because that's typically what I had it for anyway. I'm gonna keep my white chase. I'm gonna show you all when I get home, but I wanted to go ahead on and get the paint because it's raining outside, so of course why not go ahead on, since I'm gonna be stuck in the house all day pretty much anyway. It's a flash flood warning out until like 8 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock, so I might as well just work in my office on getting that together. I'm gonna go ahead on and paint and move all the stuff out the craft room into that space, and yeah, I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited to finally just give myself a designated area that's not for doing anything but working on the computer and reading. I'm not doing any painting, I'm not doing any cutting, any hot glue gunning, no DIYs will be in this space. It is going to be all about the business. So when we get to Home Depot, I'm going to show y'all a paint selection, and we're going to keep it moving. All right, in Home Depot, I mean, black is black, right? So hopefully this won't take me too long. I don't know if I need bare. Here's one right here. And disregard my nails. It is called black. Yeah, I'm gonna get my nails done after I finish painting. It's more black paint. black out. Carbon. I guess I don't have that much to choose from. It's only 3 different blacks. I like how dark this one is. I like blackout. And black. Here. Oh, I like that. Yeah, that's it right there. Oh my gosh, I didn't think picking a black would be so hard. It's like so many different hues of black. I've got onyx black and all these different shades of white.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. Ready?
I can tell this is gonna be too ivory. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
I literally just spent 30 minutes trying to pick a black and a white paint. Black is not black and white is not white. Alright guys, so I have them holding a black and white, black and gold drip artwork abstract for me. So I'm here to pick it up so that I can put it in my new office space. I'm so excited. I saw it online and she's holding it for me. So yay! This is it. It's really big, but it's an abstract. Y'all know I love abstract art, especially in this space, considering that I want it to be really modern and really like contemporary. I love this. I'm gonna add a little bit of gold just to make this pop some, but yeah. All right, y'all, so this is what this area, the loft area, looks like right now. I have my navy wall and my console there is gonna go in my room. I'm gonna move, of course, change like the pillow, but I'm keeping that white chase right there. There used to be a lamp on this. I moved that downstairs when I started decorating for spring. This chair right here, and the rug is gonna go into the guest room, which is gonna now be navy. Kind of like a navy glam. Pretty. Navy blue is really pretty, I must say. But I never finished this space. As you guys see, this whole wall is just bare with the exception of that mirror right there. And then I never put up any drapes or painted this area, put up any pictures, shelving, anything. So it's not like I ever finished it and I'm changing it. So I'm just gonna go ahead on and use it for items that I have already purchased for my office. And let's start painting. Okay guys, so this is what this area is looking like now. The black is finished on both of these walls here, and This wall over here is white. I painted it off camera and it looks really, really good. So now I'm gonna start moving all of my stuff in here so that I can start decorating. This is my current office desk. This is just a simple one from IKEA, and I'm gonna take the legs and spray paint it gold because against that black wall, I don't think the black legs would pop, and I want it to be white and gold. This is my way of trying to keep from ordering the new desk that I really want, which is white and gold. It has gold legs on it. So I'm gonna spray paint this one first and see if it will temporarily do the job. So this is the desk. Looks really good with the gold legs on it. I really do like it. It made such a big difference, and I don't think I need to order the other desk that I was planning on getting or putting on hold to get, because this one actually is just fine for me. So I don't have to spend a couple $100s on a new desk. I just changed the legs on these to the gold like the one I saw online, and I love it. It looks really good, especially like against the black wall. Do you see that? Hey! Like against that wall, that gold really pops. I love it. It is coming together, this little space, and I put my chase back in the space that it will stay in. It's kind of bright. Let me see. There you go. I put the chase back over here. It's gonna stay calicornered like that for now. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that little stand over there. I think I might replace it or get a lamp to put on top of it or get a standing lamp. But the positioning of the way everything is right now really works and really looks good. So I am a-okay with it. So I'm gonna pull the rest of my stuff in here and start decorating with the stuff that I already have.